Are you ready?
Yeah.
What do you got?
My shirt and my shoes.
Heck yeah.
And my soccer.
Where are we going today, guys?
The pirate. To a pirate ship.
Pirate ship. So we're gonna be going on a pirate ship today.
Wait, put it on him.
Oh, what?
What does a pirate say?
Arr.
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 Not a girl.
All right.
Hi guys. So let's go.
Mama.
1, 2, 3. Lastly.
Hey y'all, we are living Lastly. Austin, Tara, Rudy, Arlo, and our 2 fur babies, Piper and Gertie. Last year in 2020, we sold everything to hit the road full time in our 5th wheel. We are living light and loving life.
Mom.
We are currently in Port Aransas, and they have a pirate ship cruise
Yeah.
that we are going to
Should be
go
fun.
do today.
So let's go.
He's going to be a pirate,
For Halloween.
No.
and she's going to be a parrot.
No. No.
What do you think?
I be human pirate ship, Mom.
Okay.
Pirate ship. Oh, if we get a wagon, he wants me to make a pirate ship out of the wagon.
Gotcha. Okay. Let's go. Actually traveling with our friends now, and so we're gonna go eat first here on the island. You guys know where you want to go to eat?
Anywhere. I mean, where's the pirate places down?
Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Pirate ship.
On the pirate ship!
All right. I mean, do y'all want what do you want, like American food, like seafood? I mean, what do you guys think?
What did you suggest? What is that next?
Yeah, iris or something like that.
Yeah.
You want to try that?
Yeah, it's a good shot.
All right, let's try it.
Okay, so last Saturday we traveled from San Antonio to Port Aransas, and then a tropical storm, Nicholas, came our way. So we actually decided not to stick it out because we have never been through a tropical storm before, so we weren't really sure what to expect, and it's better to be safe than sorry. So we shut up our slides, left our house on wheels, and traveled back to San Antonio for a night to wait out the storm. But now we're back in Port Aransas. The island was fine. Luckily, it didn't get hit too hard. I think it was just mild wind and rain. But we're still happy with our decision to leave, just in case. And so today we are going to explore a little bit. And
I want Barbie.
guys, what are we doing?
Barbie.
Where are we going?
We're going to a pirate ship.
Pirate ship.
Woo!
No,
So,
we're going to Buttercup.
okay, they have a pirate ship cruise on the island that looks pretty cool and really fun for the kids. So that's what we're going to do today, and we're going to eat at, how do you say it? Iris, I think. So yeah, so we'll show you a little bit of the fun stuff to do on this island.
Think of that?
That was delicious.
Yeah,
I got the Asian chicken salad. It was so good.
Yep, that was really, really good. Had a good burger.
If we're saying that right,
Yep.
on the island. It's great.
Come on, kids.
Come on, hurry. We got to go to the pirate
We gotta
ship.
go.
We don't want to be late.
We got about 10 minutes until we are supposed to be there, so we had to rush that, but. think? Is it cool? Yeah, so we just got on the pirate ship. Pretty neat so far. We'll see how the kids do. It's 2 hours long. So we shall see.
Pirate Hurricane. There you go, sir. Let's hear for the best gold digger on the ship.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
Way to go, boy. You got your own forest.
High fives.
High five.
What did y'all think? Cool?
Yeah, it's been fun.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay, so we're probably coming up on the end of the cruise. This has been amazing. So good for kids. They're having a blast. We give the Red Dragon Pirate Ship Cruise a big thumbs up. If you have kids, bring them on this. It was so much fun. Okay, everyone, so we just finished up with the Red Dragon Pirate Cruise in Port Aransas, Texas, and we give it a huge thumbs up. If you have kids, any age really for children, it's wonderful. It's a 2-hour cruise, so we were thinking like, or you're on the water for 2 hours. We were a little worried about Arlo because he's 2 and, you know, but no problem at all. He got a little tired at the end, but that's about it. Other than that, they do such a great job of keeping the kids entertained. They do sword fights for them and water gun fights, and the whole experience was awesome. The pirates are great. What else? What am I forgetting?
Maybe the cost.
The cost. So it was $40 per adult and $30 for children ages 3 to 12. So Arlo was free, so that's great. While he's 2, we still get him in for free to quite a few places, but he's about to be 3, so that's gonna go away soon. Yes, I think that's all we kind of want to say about it. It was wonderful.
Cool experience.
Hope you enjoy this video. As always, if you like what you watch, hold on just a second, bud. Like and subscribe, show us some love, and go out there and show someone else some love.
Till next week.
Yeah, we'll see ya.
Peace.